everybody. My name's Bunny.
And I'm Kay.
And we are
Bitchin' and Eatin'. Today we will be doing a pre-recorded video for you tonight since we have to get ready for our live stream this weekend.
But before we get all the festivities going, I have two announcements to make. One very important and one more very important. The first one is, Petermon, we love you very, very much, and we support you in everything we do. And we are part of the Wolf Pack. Ow! And also, we've been getting a lot. Well, I've been getting a lot of shit in the comments for being very friendly with my sister here. I am not an abuser. I do not abuse her. She does more shit to me off camera than I do to her on camera. So please, shut your holes.
I'm a chicken. Bok, bok.
And I would like to say thank you to Candy for sending us this very, very, very awesome Christmas card. Thank you so much. It is so beautiful.
And I would also like to thank everybody else who's also sent us the Christmas cards. They will be forever on our wall of amazement over here to my left side, and the cat is moving the camera like a meanie head. Okay, there's no cat over there. Just had to make sure. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think she's losing it.
I am losing it. Or did I ever have it to begin with? We'll never know. Also, some of you, we've been talking about that wish.com website. I ordered these quite a while ago, and I just now got them. I think I ordered them near the end of, or the middle of last month. They said they were going to be here on the 19th, but they came a little late.
Probably because of the Christmas season.
Well, yeah, that's what I thought. Anyways, they're loose eyeshadows. They're supposed to be 30, but I think I only counted 29. 15. Oh no, there's 30. I lied. Yeah, there's 30. The bottom half are all glitter, and the top ones are loose, so you know you have your glitter to work with and you're loose. Okay. So let's get started here. Oh, look. My same. They're tops and bottoms. I like to do that, you know, because even sandwiches need
equality.
No, equalization. Whatever it is. I'm not very good at that. They are just plain turkey sandwiches. I forgot to get cheese and stuff to put on them. The lettuce was bad, so unfortunately couldn't use that, but we got cottage cheese and the Reese's macaroni and cheese. Oh, and some Lay's sour cream and onion chips, which I will not indulge in because I am not much of a carry person for that kind. I should have said, Itakimasu.
Here. Otakimasu.
Itakimasu. And I'm a Japanese.
It's not it's
Itakimasu.
I don't know what the hell it is.
And we've got orange soda, super chill. It's a, I think you can buy it at Safeway, but we got it at the Ray's Food Place near us. Yes. I think it's like it's higher in carbs and sugars, but there are no sodium in it. So if you need a low sodium drink and you want some soda, pick up the chill. It's perfect.
Are you gonna take some?
Yes, give me a second. Ooh. Oh. I haven't had orange soda in so long.
Because I'll just eat out of the container after you take yours.
I think that's all I'll be able to handle. We'll see. So, we today were quite obsessed with the dumpster diving videos. And I was like, oh, we should try that sometime. And then I went and looked up the laws here in Oregon. You can't dumpster dive.
You can in California.
Yeah, but apparently California can. But we're not driving to California to go dumpster diving. Um. But yeah, some of you keep asking. Well, not some. Quite a few people keep asking about doing a cooking show, and we're still working on that. But I was planning in the new year of doing a morning time mukbang, for breakfast time, for some of our viewers who are over in the Europe area who aren't able to catch us in our nighttime live stream. So I was thinking about doing that as well. Have anything to add? Nothing? Nothing else? These are actually really good buns. They're I think they're called pub buns.
Mm-hmm.
And they're really crazy. They're really like I don't even know, flaky. I guess you wouldn't call it flaky. It's they're really holy. I don't know. I'm not good at describing food. I'm only good at eating it.
It'd be good with burgers.
The only thing I don't like about them with sandwiches is they're really thick. I guess that's the reason. Maybe that's the reason we shouldn't have eaten them with sandwiches.
Unless we had other things.
I kind of wish we had a little bit of tomato, even though my body can't handle tomato very well. Neither can yours. Okay, yeah, we're not used to this because we're always doing live stream when we eat, and so we have people to talk to, and so it's kind of hard, sitting here with a camera, staring at it, trying not to stare at that because we're over there along with here, We're not talking to that, we're talking to that. Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you had a wonderful day. Tell us in the comments below. That was lame. What is my problem? What is your problem? You.
We also want to add just one thing. One other thing. It seems like a lot of people have problems with other YouTubers, so when those said YouTubers come into our live streams, please, I repeat, please,
Respect them.
do not bring in drama.
We are a drama-free zone. Keep the drama to yo mama, not ours. Right?
Either keep it on your own page or theirs.
Well, not even theirs because it's not nice.
We can't control what they do.
We should do we should sometimes during the weekend we can have some awkward videos for bitch and mama to do. You know, or lessons with bitch and mama.
What do you mean?
You know.
What do you mean?
Hold on. You know, like she says something, like respect your elders, sort of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can do those kind of things.
Lessons with bitch and mama.
Mhm. We'll have to run it by her first.
Of course.
Hmm. Mm. Mm. Tomorrow, you guys will be lucky enough to have another vlog updated. So we won't be doing a mukbang. We'll be doing a vlog because we're going into town to buy stuff for New Year's, and we will be I will be vlogging it, hopefully on the new camera.
We could get the damn thing to work.
I got it to record. I just have to figure out if the thing is good or not.
Sorry about the motorcycle noises. We got some bratty kids going up and down our frickin' road.
If you can even hear it. Okay, so some of you are asking what our New Year's resolution is. Do you have a New Year's resolution?
No.
No? Do I? Maybe. Sounds like the cat is trying to climb up the counter again. He can never make it. But do I have a New Year's resolution? Maybe. I could be a little more meaner. Maybe. Probably to at least lose 50 pounds in the upcoming year.
Because every time you make a New Year's
resolution, you always break it.
There you go. So why have one?
Okay, so my New Year's resolution is to not break my New Year's resolution. Do you guys have a New Year's resolution? Do you guys have a New Year's? Let's give up. Okay, do you guys have a New Year's resolution? Tell us in the comments below. Yes.
And also, how many of you out there are going to do a low carb diet?
Or even how many of you already broke your New Year's resolution? Well, all I have to do is draw like a face on this side, you know, like a face, you know, wee, and like an animal tail, you know, and I could flip it, heads or tails. I'm kidding. What? Alright, but let's see. Guess the number I'm thinking of. Can you guess the number I'm thinking of?
13.
Close. It's 6. Here, I'll say in between what, so you know. Okay, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 2.
6.
5. You were close. Damn, you're good. A number between 1 and 5.
12.
Ooh, you were close. It was 10. Man, you're nearly spot on. Dun dun. Dun dun. Aw, you didn't let me do the dun 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 dun. And then you crunch. Get it? But it's too late now. It's too late to apologize, even. Because I won't accept it.
Okay.
Come on, apologize already.
No.
But, fine. Be that way. Crunchy, 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 crunchy. I think I'm also going to make a resolution not to shave my legs this winter. I'm kidding, though. Because that'd be awkward. Nope, lost it. What are you doing?
Eating.
Why?
Because my body needs fuel.
Not technically. And there goes the cat again. Nope, didn't make it that time either. Because apparently telling our cats to get off the counter is now animal abuse, so now we let them run free everywhere. Right? Right. But I'm only kidding, though. Because that's not right. You done?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Well, looks like this is all done. Thank you for liking
commenting.
and subscribing.
And also remember, bitchin' mama rules everything.
Mm-hmm. Remember to turn on that little button next to the thing with the bell thing.
Turn on your notifications so you know when we do videos and also live shows.
Yeah, that little bell thing.
And also remember, look both ways before you enter your bed.
But we already did that.
Oh well.
Excuse me.
And when making cheese curds, remember to use salt,
Salt?
not sugar.
Mm.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
And remember, Peter Mon, we are part of the wolf pack.
Ow! The wolf pack.
Bye.
Bye.